What's up, guys? So we are going on a little late night cruise. You can see my breath in the light. We got Big Bake Squad and the Veloster. Y'all have seen it.
What's up, man?
What up?
What's up, buddy? We got the keg out. We're about to cruise for like 20 or 30 minutes. Are you down?
I've been cruising for like 30 minutes already.
You really want those, huh?
Yeah, I want
Soft or hard?
hard.
Supreme?
What comes on Supreme?
Tomato and sour cream.
Yes.
Okay. It should two. I think two.
Two?
Yeah.
Alright.
One something, but we'll find out. Whoa!
God damn, Ryan.
Trying to take off your own mirror, bro.
Take me and your mirror.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
You like that? Is that Ryan right there? That's Ryan right there. Damn.
Where are we cruising? I don't really want to go no back roads because I got Slim Jims on my tires.
You don't want to go back roads?
No, I got rubber bands on my
Then
tires.
where have you been cruising for the last half hour? What else do you cruise? Past the police station 6 times?
I went past twice.
How the fuck did he get in front of us like that? You need to put a GoPro on right here. be taking the back roads home right now. So we'll see what happens here. We're not in the lead, so
looks like it,
okay, we're taking some backies. Nice. Hey, some more points for Austin. Austin's racking up the points tonight, dude. You know what this means, Ryan?
Huh?
All this stuff sticking to your car?
Yeah.
You know what that means? You're not driving fast enough, bud. You're not pulling hard enough, bud.
I just waited a second. I was like, yeah. And he was trying. I kept getting closer. He was, dude. I don't know.
Dude, that was like the first cop or second cop maybe, but we passed several, dude.
They don't have one.
The raspberry cokes are where it's at.
Dude, no, do they have a raspberry?
Yeah, California raspberry. So we taking back roads home because that's what real car guys would do.
Real car guys would get on the highway.
I don't think that's the truth.
That's the truth.
All right, guys. Let me know in the comments below.
On the highway and does pools. Pools.
Let me know in the comments below. Real car guys take the back roads or do they take the highway? Because I am down for a silly goose time, and that's about it. Look at you about to stall. Looks like that rubber has been grabbing. It's pulled back. I need to fix that.
It's idling high. I need to adjust it.
We're at the only no outlet.
Pulling these people back, right?
Loud as He's backing in. And he stalled it. And he stalled it, bro. I think so. Say it again.
Screw you.
These people hate us. We're sorry. Anyways, got some great footage for you. Last minute tonight, we just all decided to hop in, and well, I decided to hop in and just go, you know, with whatever they were doing. They were cruising, and so was the other two. So like we all just kind of linked up. You saw at Taco Bell. Anyways, had a great night. That is a Nissan Altima. Like, comment, and subscribe. I can't even talk. So like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think about some of our back roads, the tunnels, our exhaust. We got a lot of good footage tonight. Finally showing off the Veloster really well. Finally showing off the right-hand drive Integra very well. So yeah, other than that, have a good night. Everybody out there, be safe. Wear your seatbelts. Peace out.